Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Green color, red color, chocolate color, blue color, purple color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon and square. First we're going to draw the shapes. Triangle, next circle, next heart, next star, next pentagon, next square. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, triangle, purple color, circle, next red color, heart, next orange color, star, next chocolate color, pentagon, next blue color, square, what we learn? We learn green color, triangle, purple color, circle, red color, heart, orange color, star, chocolate color, pentagon, blue color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.